Have you been struggling to find a good strategy to use in your day trading? I'm about to show you a strategy that's been averaging 80% win rate with a 1-to-1 R for the last 3 months of data. No other strategy I've tested thus far has been even close to 80% win rate. So I'm pretty jacked up about this one and I would love to share it with you. Okay, let's get at it. Here we go. I'm going to go through a couple of examples. And then you can do your own testing or just trust that this data is accurate, okay? So here we go. Let's jump into a few here. I think for simplicity, I'm just gonna use the links and just show some examples and explain exactly how this works, and we'll go from there. So I don't actually even really need trading view open. Here we go. You ready for this? Okay, so I only primarily trade roughly around the US Open, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so Eastern, that's at 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay, roughly. So in this example right here, so here's the strategy. We only take a short when price is at, near, or above yesterday's daily high. I've got a little tool here on TradingView that draws this out for me, so it's super easy. And let's play out the first example. I show up to the first candle before the market opens, okay? Gives me a beautiful engulfing candle. Okay, so I don't trade, I'm not even at the chart around here, but I get an engulfing candle right before the market opens. Boom, 1-to-1. I will show you on TradingView. Sorry, just to be clear, I do want to show you how I place my stops. Okay, so here we go. So you would place it. This is exactly how you'd place it. So you take your long. Okay, just give me 1 sec. You would place it like, let's say you're going long here. Very simple. You get your tool, place it. So you'd enter here, stop at the below there, and then go for a 1-to-1. Okay, really simple. You enter at the close, stop below the candle, and that's how you do it. So let's go back to some examples. So you'd enter here, stop is here, and you got your 1-to-1. Beautiful. Next example. Oh, Google Sheets has that one glitch. Let's check out another one. This one says I did a liquidity grab. Okay, so this example, this is yesterday's daily low. So we didn't trade all of this. Okay, so it's 5, 10, 15, 20. We're waiting like 40 minutes for a trade. Breakout traders interested, and then boom, gives you a red close. I'm in. Gives you a nice probably 2R there, but we're just tracking 1R for now, okay? Couple more I'll show you. What's this one? What did I say on my notes? This one was, it was at a level, it was 95% in EG. We're gonna call it a power tower as one guy calls it. So this would have been the trade right here. So price opens, we're only looking for shorts. Is this an interesting candle? No. Is this one, I like this. It gives you an engulfing to the upside. Liquidity, it's bringing in bullish interest, but what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a short because we're above yesterday's daily high. I get 2 wicks on the top, which I like. It gives me almost an engulfing candle, but because of everything else I'm seeing, I go, heck yeah, I'm taking that, and it gives me a nice push down. Does that make sense? So this candle, this red candle looks like crap to take, but this one's pretty much an engulfing candle. So I go, I'm taking that sucker. Let's see if you could have got another one. You could have waited, and got these triple wicks. That would have been a nice 1-to-1 right there. Okay, and another set of tweezers, 1-to-1 there. So there was a few different options here. We're waiting for price to react at our level, and we're structuring that within engulfing candles, power tower, which is what I'd call this one. And then we easy stop on the other side of the candle, get in. Let's look at this next one. I'll show you losses because losses are lame, but there are losses. Okay, I'm just telling you this. Losses are there, but no one wants to watch the losses. Okay, what did I call this one? Triple wick, then EG also worked. Triple wick. Okay, so here we go. Not only did you get, so you're at or above yesterday's daily high. Yes, we are. Up it goes. Not gonna lie, this one would have been super tempting to take, but it's in engulf. No. Is it a set of tweezers? No. Was it sweeping a level? Not that I can see. But this one would have worked, but that wasn't the play I was waiting for. So no. Is this an engulf? No, technically not an engulf, but what did I put in my notes? Triple wick. If you follow me long enough, you know I like tweezers and triple wicks. So you could have got in there. If you didn't like that one, you could have waited, boom. Now you actually got your engulfing candle. Boom. Like it's freaking unbelievable. It's been an incredible strategy. That's all I really want to show you. So I could show you, I'll show you one more example. What do we got here? John Wick. Give you another example. John Wick. That's from another YouTuber talks about that. Okay, here we go. You get to the market. Are you at, near, or above yesterday's low? Yes, we are. What are we waiting for? A nice price reaction, and this one's beautiful. Like it's close to these levels. It's huge bottom wick, which is like a bottle rocket. It's buying pressure pushing it up, and you can get in. Boom. If you want to wait for an engulf, there it is right there. There's your engulfing candle with bottom wicks. Incredible. Does that make sense? It's super simple. Let's talk about how this could change your freaking life. I don't know why this flipped. It's a glitch on Google Sheets. Currently, it's showing an 81% win rate, 1-to-1R. I'll say it again, 81% with a 1-to-1R. That is unbelievable. Each one of these $100 represents 1%. Up or down 1%. Unbelievable. So this is the way my brain works, and I just talked about this on my stream. I will be opening up a $200,000 prop firm account soon. So right now I trade a $6,000 prop firm and it's generating a little bit of cash flow. It's nice, cool. My brain knows, okay, it is going to be $2,000 one day. So all of these represent 2,000 then one day, okay? Which means 26%. Let's do the math here on. This is why this strategy is so powerful. Is it simple strategy? Yes. Super easy to understand. Is it somewhat, like it's systematic? Yes. Is it factual? Pretty close. Like there are some nuances on like whether there is some choice on which candles you're going to take, but I think it's pretty simple. You could make it super factual and only take it in golf for only, bottom line is 27%. So if you had a $200,000 prop firm account times 27%, you could be up $54,000 from May. Okay, I did into some October. So if we skip October, let's just say May to July 15th is a sum of 23%. You see that down there? You get the idea. I don't need to run the calculator anymore. This is an incredible strategy. Thus far on the back testing, it can change. So my encouragement to you is to go check it out. I think this is the way to trade. Keep it ridiculously simple. Show up and swing the bat. It's just a batting average. It's just a numbers game. Obviously, the higher win rate we can get with a good amount of opportunities in a trading month. October was a little slow, but you have 100% batting rate. You had like a bunch of days you had no trades, but you're up 4%. That's $8,000 on a $200,000 account. So this is an incredible strategy. I think you should check it out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.